Hi everyone, this is Danielle. These are the photographs I took for our photo shoot this week. So starting out, this is the old Wooten Hotel, now apartments. Might have gotten the name wrong. The ISO for all of the images I used was 1600. The shutter speed for this one was 1 in 500, and the f speed was 5.6. This picture was actually taken about a block and a half away, and I kind of wanted to just get the to show just how large it is, how tall it is. And so if you look here at the bottom, you can see other buildings. I wanted to use this building and just get a different view, because I actually took a picture for Unit 3, I think, with this building, with the point of view shot. So it's really cool, and this time you can really see some of the details here at the top on the roof. Alright, so this second one is actually the main branch library here in Abilene. I liked how modern it was compared to some of the other buildings I was taking pictures of. I was downtown, so it's historical downtown Abilene, so it's a lot of older buildings, a lot of that older architecture, very beautiful, beautiful buildings. But I liked how the library stands out against that, especially with all the glass and the windows. It's a very pretty building. Here in the front is a statue of Jack Frost, if anybody's not familiar with the area. And just a lot of trees. I like how the trees, I cropped the one on our left out a little more, but I like how the trees actually kind of frame the front of the building and the entrance. It was really cool. So this third one isn't a full building. It's actually just like the back area of the Grace Museum. This is the fire escape, and then this is part of the wall. It's a back walled-in area that they keep locked and under surveillance. So I actually had a lot of fun with this one, just really playing with a real extreme angle and really trying to force that depth, because I was pretty much holding it straight up to get this. I really like the contrast of the buildings and the fire escape against the sky. I thought it looked really cool, very nice. And if you notice, just to point out, all of my images, even the ones I didn't upload here, none of them are just a straight on picture of the building. I felt that coming from an angle really helped force some depth into the image and helped capture some more of the details in a more unique way than just going straight on to them. And so the last photo I took is of the massive First Baptist Church over downtown. Beautiful set of buildings. This one was a lot of fun, even just walking along the outside. It was so many buildings and so many different angles and just so many different details to catch. It's a very beautiful old set of buildings, and it's really cool, and it's a lot of fun. I got this building here is to their main offices, I do believe, and I liked how the archways went and how it pulls your vision right there to that building and those windows. It's very beautiful set of of architecture and buildings. I almost went with a different one that had the bell tower on it, but I think this one ended up being my favorite because I liked the contrast of the building next to the natural growth with the trees and the bushes. But anyways, I could continue rambling on. I'll stop here. Those were my 4 photos. I hope you enjoyed them and y'all have a good afternoon.